wants to pose?
I'm making sport, lad.
Take 7. Hey, so what's happening here?
No, start again,
Harry, I didn't like the baby.
How's things, everyone? This is more of a different video we're going to be having today. So what we're doing now today is we're going to be doing a bit of work on my Pandem kitted E46. So we reached out to buy a company who wanted to try their suspension in my car. So by all means I said yeah, no bother at all, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a video of me saying what I think of them. It's more of a budget coilover for getting coilovers. They're not mad expensive. I think get these coilovers for about €400 and they're Maxspeedingrod coilovers. So obviously I want to see what they're like, and I'm going to let you know what I think of the coilovers. Let's get them unboxed and see what we think. Now, so obviously we have the coilovers here. Let's unbox them and let's see what we think. First impression of the quality wise of the coilovers. So use the old trusty key here. House key now, it won't work and I won't be able to get home. Get into the house later. But I think these coilovers you can buy for about €400 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm very excited to see what sort of quality they are and what sort of way they kind of drive. So, right. Yeah, they look great anyways. Right, so. Geez, they look very good. They look camber top mounts. Geez, I have to say one thing, I'm very impressed with them. For 400, if you think of it like this, if you're going for slightly cheaper coilovers, obviously when you're on a budget, I'm kind of on a budget doing my car. When you're looking for slightly cheaper coilovers, they don't come with top mounts, they don't come with anything like that. And for €400, you get that. That's the front. Here's the adjuster for the back. Here's the rear shocks. And the rear springs. And I noticed as well, so I actually put coilovers in the E46 and they just simply would not go low enough, especially when you're wide arching cars. So even at that, you can see that that spring is nice and short. But then you have the adjuster so you can raise it up as well. So yeah, that is the right job. I am very impressed. Maxspeedingrod's coilovers. Now, I'm very happy with the quality of the packaging and the coilovers. What are they going to be like in the car? So I think now over the next, it's not going to be now. This will be recorded a few days before, but now, next thing is get them into the car and we'll bring it for maybe a little test bin and see what we think.
Jeez. So, you've probably seen already there, Craig, you've unpacked them, haven't you?
I have.
Okay. Dave, what do you think? What's your verdict on them?
I think that they're good.
Deja vu on what to get in there.
Yeah, me too. They look good, like they look like they're built well now, like.
And you have the adjustment down here. And
This is all ringing the bell.
this is take 2.
No,
Wasn't there the high pitch too?
I don't know.
Voice breaking.
Anyway, look at anyone that's watching the table, okay, is looking over right there like that, right?
The beast.
They're going, look at, huh? Craig is being flat to the mat here, he has. Craig's getting. Oh, you have? Look at it, poor little thing. Huh?
Do you remember how to put it back together?
I have no idea.
Here.
All the screws, it's just black cell toppers going there.
Can we get on the Maxspeedingrods for new coilovers for this?
Yeah. No, I want our firm. I just want to keep the lower spring. I don't want to go coilovers in this thing.
Lawrence Spring.
Get on the thing, Tower. Look out at that.
Why will me hold? Would you shut up?
Oi.
Huh?
Rick, what?
YouTube.
What do you think? So we're kind of asking everyone, what do you think of the new coilovers, quality wise?
Man, Maxspeedingrods. Look, they actually do look good, to be fair.
They do.
And Rick, that's what I was saying, ask Max
There's a nice bit of girth in them.
What's curd mean?
The width.
36-way dampening. That's what as we were saying now. Ask Maxspeedingrod for a set for your Miata.
Yes, can I have a set for my Miata, please? Thank you. And any other stuff you have, anything at all, I'll take it.
Even if it's not for Miata.
Well, yeah, I suppose, yeah.
He'll settle on.
Yeah. What the fuck is that? Can I ask? Like, These look like they're starting like a full rebuild here, and
Richard,
maybe he's probably are.
you made it.
I mentioned fucking getting the thing powder coated and all while it's off.
Powder coated. It's where he's fucking, you know, he's the one funding this project, Rick. You know what I mean?
Well, let's be honest. This is, I'd say, this is
What's that?
Dennis.
Give Richard the big hello. Sorry, Richard, we interrupted you. Sorry, meter and a half. That's it.
yeah, I'd say this is your top priority out of all your projects. To be fair, so
Well, yeah. Like,
Well, it is taking up 3 of the axles hand at the minute, so.
well, Rick,
I want to kick it off.
the car down there is holding up 4 of the stands.
Here you go. I own them, so you know.
You don't.
Fair, you brought them over.
So we're back here with Craig 10 minutes later, right? How are you getting on, Craig?
Yeah, no, going good.
Yeah.
So, actually, that Coilover was in the box and I'm moving it there.
Okay.
So, I had to send a few meshes and stuff like that, so I'm flat out here.
Shall we come back in a bit?
Come back in 10.
10 minutes.
I have something very special I'm going to do now as well.
So we're back here with Craig 10 minutes later again.
Yeah, I just, Dave was talking to me there about his new oil pump that revs his car with 8,000 revs.
Dave was still undoing his thing.
Skunk too, lad.
Oh, look at the skunk, man. Hey.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Dave-o.
Big Honda man now, yeah.
You have to get the Honda badge
Yeah,
for it.
you know what the thing about that is? That's actually kind of acceptable.
Well, that's probably not going to stay there.
But like, it is acceptable though at the same time.
Well, like, skunk to this, skunk to
Because
that.
many people will see it like if they didn't have the car on or haven't seen the car and it's just gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, you should get all this on cage on and fucking everything.
The whole.
All down your door or something.
Just the door, the shopping list.
Bread, milk, skunk tail.
Anyway, keep her lit. Oh, he's putting it in the trailer, Abby, yeah. The big one inside. Davey,
Darren.
what has arrived? There's something behind you there now, I don't know what it is.
That's the rat, the local rat.
That's the guard dog. Hey,
Today, I got some stuff.
what is it? Explain.
Throttle body adapter with a skunk 2 owner's kit. Guessing this is the other end of the throttle body. Oh, with another owner's kit.
Oh, look. Oh,
I own them.
plenty of stickers. Plenty of stickers, don't you?
Look at that. Oh, that's gonna do.
Oh, God.
That's gonna make me power. And power.
It's like a big old distributor, isn't it?
Distributor, yeah.
And it's genuine Honda. I'm a big Honda man, you know.
Oh, Honda.
Oil pump.
Should get Honda badges for the crack then. That's anyway, I'm back up here in the shed, we think. So, what are these? Work seekers, Craig?
Yeah.
Work seekers for the SAR. SAR-R, isn't it?
SAR. The SAR R at the end of that.
I've been calling them SAR-A for years. Like, people always say, I've always wanted a SAR-R.
It's the same as, remember the PS14 we had up? The PS14.
Oh, yeah, the PS14 and it was an S14.
The PS40 and then the Ricardo seats.
The Ricardo seats.
The Ricardo seats on the SAR-A.
And the splats, the back splats.
I was going to show up my wooden floor again.
We all feel that.
Craig, look at that for a finish. Like. Craig, in the morning you flew up to Tesco and get a bit of floor cleaner for me. Right. And a little mop, yeah?
I showed them the way on the truck.
Huh? Oh, I think we showed that earlier on, didn't we?
I think we did the tires out there.
Oh, well, that's the fucking 19560, is it?
18560. 18560. I think it's really spot on.
Yeah, that's not bad, yeah.
What space? We need 50 mil space, isn't that thing?
Oh, fucking
Which
easy.
will make it. Mine is 80. We also need wheel nuts. Them wheel nuts are actually loose on it. But there's only light, so.
Jeez, we need a fucking 50.
Yeah.
Jeez, actually, if it is sitting too low as well, you can just fucking space it up a bit.
Yeah. Go 50 or go home, that's what we're doing. Here, what day is today? Today is Wednesday. 2 days time she'll be out cruising.
That's when we get our wheels. Our wheels are lost. This yoke is just such bad luck.
These aren't
I rang
lost.
them this morning.
They're in Pablo's van. He's had them in tomorrow.
Pablo said it.
This is Josh. And Josh is very sad because Josh's SR20 blew up into 1,000,000 pieces and now Josh can't go drifting. We need some money to fix the SR20, but we've come up with a great idea. We are giving you the chance to win our Pandem Wide Arch Golf on AAA competition. Do you want it? Yes. Do you need it? Absolutely not. You look absolutely class driving around the town, and for every €20 you put in on a ticket, we put €20 into Josh's SR20. So grab the tickets now while they're hot.
So, it's been a few weeks since, well, it's probably been a week or two since I unboxed the coilovers for the E46, and it's finally time to actually get them into the car. Honestly, just things have been hectic around here. I haven't actually had a chance to get on my own car, but I'm gonna say this in the video now. After the SOAR is finished, we're gonna get stuck into this for me, just because I'm so busy around here. All the lads are gonna give me a hand and get everything done with me. So now what we're gonna do in this video is, as well as everything else that's going on, put the coilovers in. So we're gonna put the Maxspeedingrod coilovers into the car. I don't have my wheels because I gave them a loan to Batesy, Adam Bates, who I actually bought the wheels off. They're on his S15 right now, and I'll put in a picture of it here. But we'll have to live with the standard, or the standard Beamer wheels for the minute. We'll bring it for a bit of a test spin up and down the yard and see what it actually drives like, because I'm very curious to know, and I want to let everyone else know as well what the coilovers are actually like. So, I'm just after getting the old back shock out of the car. Just for an example, putting these beside each other. How, like, well, not even how much better, just how, like, thicker and all, just how much stronger these will be than this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this into the car, and yeah, then we've 2 out of the 4 done. First of all, I'm gonna have to take the spring out, and I'm not gonna be needing the adjuster. The kit obviously comes with adjusters, but I'm not gonna be putting the adjuster in, because obviously, as I said, the arch is cut up high, so the Pandem arch is down lower, so this car is gonna have to be very low. One problem with the E46 and the E36 as well, most Beamers in general, the wheel, so you see this shock and spring is in over the side of the old coilovers. When you jack up the car, the wheel always drops really low, but with this suspension, since it has its own adjustment on the shock, it stops the wheel dropping, which is a very good thing when it comes to jacking up your car. You only have to jack it up this much rather than jacking up that much, because it can be a bit of an ordeal, especially when you have big wide arches and stuff on the car. So, I'm just in the office after kind of finishing up the video of doing the coilovers on my E46. So, pretty much what I just want to let you know is I'm very happy with the coilovers. I took it for a few jants up and down the yard after I got them done. Finished up a bit late because I was doing a few other bits around the place. And I have to say, for the money that the coilovers are, I cannot complain with them one bit. So obviously down below I'll put the link to their website in the description, and pretty much Maxspeedingrod's their company that's started in 2006. They sell car parts. You can check it out on their website. Anything you want on their website, if you use code 888, you'll get 17% off, so it's a good chunk of money off. Obviously the coilovers that were in the E46 is the 24-way dampening ones I got, and the spring rates and all can be changed as well, so that's another thing. I think they're used a lot in drifting and stuff like that. These coilovers, they sponsor a lot of drifters and all the rest. So yeah, I just want to thank everyone for watching yet another video from us here at AAA.